welcome to my channel. I'm really excited. So this is my third video at the moment. I'm still doing this. I'm impressed, I'm still going. I have so much shit that I need to sort out. I'm moving houses soon. I gotta get rid of things. I gotta figure out what things I can sell, what things I'm gonna give to charity, what things I could like get a couple of nice dollars for. And apart from that, I'm also just trying to organize my life. Anyway, let's just roll. Oh, these Revice denim jeans are like the most worn item. Is the most worn item that I wear to each of my auditions. Nobody expects anyone to turn up with like a star on their ass and like flared jeans and a super tight waist, so it kind of rocks. But I'm a 24, which is kind of normal for a 5'4" Asian girl. But these jeans I have to roll up not just once, not just twice, but 3 times, just so that I don't have to trot on them when I'm wearing wedges. Love these jeans. You know what I'm trying to say. Okay. Away. I'm sure if any of you guys follow me on Instagram at Kyoko Yates, no way, you'd have seen me wear this dress, which is like super long. It was from the discount section of Universal Studios. What am I saying? The Universal store. This was like one of the only items I've ever bought. Why? Because I find the Universal store stuff is, excuse me, I know I'm being rude, but super basic, super on trend, and just super overdone that I'm just like, no. I haven't seen anybody else that has owned it. I wear it all the time. It's just like, it's like a princess dress. It's like a feel-good dress. My most worn outfit. Well worth the, what, 50 bucks spent on it? That's my cup noodles. She just wants me for my noodles. Oh, now she's licking me. I kid you not, these are the best noodles in the world. I love clothes. Who doesn't? Oh, this is really gonna make you cringe. It's just a white corset. Corset? I think it's a corset. But you know, hear me out. It's my mom's. She hates it when I use it. I'm pretty sure this was my wedding corset, and that's kind of gross because I'm a daughter, but fashion or gross now. Just give it a wash, you'll be good. Anyway, so that is going in. Always using undergarments. Goes there, goes there. This isn't even closed. Why is it here? If you guys don't know what totore is, I am not your friend. But if you watch it, I am your best friend. Oh my god, half these items are like centuries old. That's my mom's. I shouldn't even have this. Guilty. Please don't just let me sit here and like ruin your day, because this could take hours. Clean up your shit with me. It's just clean. Let's be like really genuinely productive people today. I mean, today's a Friday for me. I was just gonna watch 80s anime all day, but then I had an audition this morning at like 10. Gotta wake up now at 7:30 just to get through. Ah, not mine. Obviously. This can go in my sister's bedroom because I hate it. Misguided, cute little bumblebee shirt. That's not mine. I want underwear. Hey, first pile done. Maybe this won't take as long as I thought. Actually, no jokes. It's definitely gonna take as long as I thought. Over the edge for me. Okay, there's just no way that anyone's buying these shoes. They're so old. 10 years ago I'd have been like, this is disgusting, why are you wearing this? But now I'm like, it's got a cute little sized heel. It's seen better days, but it's so retro. I don't think I want to keep it. Weird ideas when I see old things, and it's like a battle to discover if it should be kept and shouldn't be kept. Okay, this is definitely going to Goodwill. I want that. Ew, why do I have a bike? Butt seat. Here, the things you find. There you go, there's the other one. There's the other one. Cute. Red pants. Yes, Dad. Go, go, go. You are the coolest. Basket was supposed to be full. Maybe I've already organized these and I'm just going through them all over again. My memory sucks. My memory should be good because I'm an actress, but I literally memorize something overnight and then I just forget about it like it just never existed. Looking close. I'm exhausted. Can we take a break? That's cute. Oh, I used to love this. Look at how freaking cute is it. It's like a button up, but with pretty flowers all over it. Kind of like Versace, but not Versace because it's too young for Versace. Cute rustic button, big sign on the back of it. Who's it by? Palita! I loved Polita or Lolita? I can't read this. This is made to give you dyslexia. Give it away. I'm not giving it away. I had a stroke of genius. I will wear it. It'll be great. It'll be cute. Yes. Love it when I can fit into things that I wore when I was 13.
Poshmark. So I've uploaded all my photos already, edited them in Visco, did a variety of standing shots, sizes and stuff within the shoes, and filled in all the different details. Very detailed. And I got a request. Somebody asked me if they could pay this much money for it, and normally I like counter, but they never actually do that, so it's easier just to be like, yeah. Loading. Gives us all the details, the amount, it's like the shipping label. Why am I sitting like this?
honest, I've been procrastinating about doing this for like 5 days. This video cannot be 5 days. This video needs to have been done in a day. So I've got nothing to do for the rest of the afternoon. I'm gonna do it. I'm not even gonna read the website. I'm just gonna turn up and be like, hey, take my things, please, because I don't want it. I guess we'll see how it goes. I'm feeling confident now, but just give me like a couple more minutes and I'll be like, oh. I'm doing it, she's doing it, we're going. I'm not sure about this. Wink. And just give her 5 minutes, she won't make it. This is it. That stuff I'm pretty sure they're not gonna want, so I'm just gonna take it to Goodwill. That's for Crossroads, that's for Crossroads. Let's do it. Strangling my arms for clothes. Here we are. So, an hour of which I was in Crossroads trying to get rid of my clothes. All of my other 2 bags went to Goodwill. At least I have like a good conscience now, so. There was a lineup, note to self, or for people trying to clean their closet and get rid of all their shit and just start new. Download the app before you go into Crossroads. FYI as well, that if you go to a Crossroads that's got better stuff in like a more expensive location, you're generally gonna have a more difficult time getting rid of your clothes. I am done, I'm signing out, that's it. That's it for me. I finished cleaning my room. It's, what time is it? Too late. It's like, anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope somebody got some productivity inspiration out of that, because I know after a while I was just zoned. Time for more food part 2.